Many people think that sit-ups are the best way to build a strong core, but the truth is, sit-ups alone won't give you the results you want. You might have tried doing tons of sit-ups, only to find your back aches or your progress feels slow. That's because sit-ups work just a small part of your core and can sometimes even strain your neck or lower back if done incorrectly. Your core isn't just about those front muscles. It's a whole system that needs different kinds of exercises to become strong and stable. Instead of focusing on sit-ups, your workouts should target all parts of your core, the deep muscles that support your spine and keep your body balanced. Exercises like planks and dead bugs activate these muscles in a way that sit-ups just can't. Imagine your core as a strong cylinder around your midsection, not just a six-pack. When this cylinder is strong, you improve your posture, reduce back pain, and get better performance in all your daily activities or workouts. A simple plank, for example, can be done anywhere, no equipment needed, and it trains your entire core, helping you hold steady and strong. If you're new to planks, start by holding the position for 15 seconds and slowly build up to a minute or more. Another excellent move is the dead bug, which challenges your core to stabilize your spine while you move your arms and legs. This helps with coordination and prevents injury. The best part is, these exercises are easy to learn and won't put unnecessary pressure on your neck or back. They also teach your core to work with your whole body, which helps everyday movements feel easier and safer. So rather than wasting time on endless sit-ups, try adding planks and dead bugs to your routine. Over time, you'll feel stronger, more stable, and less likely to have those niggling aches. Remember, your core needs a mix of exercises that train stability and strength, not just movement like sit-ups. Start practicing planks and dead bugs today, and you'll soon feel the difference in your strength and stability. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like it and subscribe so you won't miss out on more simple and effective workout tips. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.